The pressurized water jets ensure a thorough yet gentle cleaning process for the larger specimens, like the magnificent emerald green here.
Here at the facility, we utilize specialized hydrojets to ensure our mature specimens are thoroughly cleaned and maintained in peak condition.
Platform stabilization complete.
Vitals are green, respiration steady. We are clear for the thermal imaging sequence.
Platform stabilization complete. Restraints are locked and secure.
Vitals are optimal. Proceeding with alignment sequence.
Platform stabilized at Mark 3.
Vitals look good, all systems green.
Safety check is green. Halal status confirmed.
Acknowledged. Proceed to next stage.
With the Dragon safely stabilized, the team conducts final checks. The system confirms full
Preparation complete. Moving to processing.
Confirmed. Sequence initiated.
Preparation phase complete.
Confirmed. Shifting to full processing mode now.
Preparation sequence complete. We are clear for processing.
Confirmed. Engaging main systems.
The sonic emitters ensure a clean separation, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. All parameters are currently nominal. The sonic emitters ensure a clean separation, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. All parameters are currently nominal. Utilizing advanced resonance technology, we guarantee 100% yield without compromising the specimen's integrity. Utilizing advanced resonance technology, we guarantee 100% yield without compromising the specimen's integrity. Utilizing advanced resonant frequencies, the separation process is entirely automated, allowing for maximum yield and sterility. The localized energy field ensures a perfectly sterile separation, minimizing tissue damage and maximizing yield.
The automated tunnel ensures every portion is meticulously rinsed with purified water and air-dried, guaranteeing the highest hygiene standards.
In this sterile environment, our automated system utilizes purified water mist and air jets.
Here at the sorting station, automated systems ensure perfect halal compliance and traceability for every single product.
Here in the separation module, robotics ensure every halal portion is precisely measured and fully compliant with our automated workflow. Utilizing advanced robotics, the system precisely sorts each individually wrapped portion, ensuring both hygiene and accuracy. Here in the separation module, robotic gates precisely sort the prepackaged halal meat, with every portion confirmed by the digital weight screens.
Advanced robotics handle the vacuum sealing process, ensuring maximum hygiene. Each pack
The automated vacuum sealing machines ensure maximum freshness. Robotic arms then move the
As the packages move through the labeling station, laser coders apply the expiry date, and green verification lights confirm accuracy.
In this state-of-the-art facility, automation ensures every halal product is precisely labeled and scanned.
Advanced robotics handle the packaging, ensuring sterility and efficiency before the final tracking codes are applied.
The fully automated system tracks products from intake to storage, maintaining perfect climate control throughout the facility.
Order 72B confirmed for Dubai.
Checked. Moving to dispatch lane 4.
The automated dispatch system ensures precise sorting and efficient transfer of all our halal products.
Checklists confirmed for shipment 72B.
Temperature stable at 2 degrees Celsius. Ready for transport.
With the final checklist confirmed via tablet, the shipment is ready for departure, maintaining strict temperature controls.
Shipment 789 is ready for transport. Confirmed temperature stability.
2 degrees Celsius confirmed. We are good to go.
All readings stable. Dispatch confirmed for truck 42.
Confirmed on our end, you are clear to proceed.
Temperature holding at 4 degrees Celsius. Dispatch confirmed.
Bay 4, Alpha Tango, temperature holding at 2 Celsius. Clear for departure.
Confirmed. Gate opening.